this one-handed here, but I've undone this bolt down here, as you can see. Now I'm just going to take the coil pack off. Bloop. Now, I've made sure there's no crap around it. And there we go. That's what we're looking at. How can you tell a worn one? No idea. These are slightly different to mine in the fact that you can't see through them. But anyway, that's what we'll do. There's the old one. There's the new one. So let's put that back in. Straight on top, this way. And that simply connects on top of the spark plug. There we go. I think that's about as good as we're going to get. And then we get the bolt. Put the bolt back in. Get our handy dandy little 10mm, whoops, 10mm Spagnola. Should have put the ratchet back on that, shouldn't I now? There we go, let's tighten it up. Okay. That's that. Put the clip back on. Thus, you hear that little clip go in there, and then what we do is we get the other little clip and we put that back in like so. Lock that in. Alright, more of the same. Now it's a straight 5, the Hummer, 3.7 litre petrol, so I've got another 4 to go. Stay tuned, we'll be back.